Unscramble the words. Rearrange the given letters in appropriate order to get the correct spellings. Learn the words, their spellings, study with me. Today's topic is names of animals. O G D. What animal is it? Think about it. Last few seconds. It's dog, dog. Here comes the another challenge for you. R D U I A N S O. Oh ho, it's quite longer. Alright, but you're very smart. You can simply guess the name of animal. So what's it? Your time starts now. It's dinosaur. D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R. Here comes the another group of letters. I-T-A-R-B-B. It's rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Hey kids, this video is made with the intention that you will learn to spell the words correctly. So enjoy learning. The next animal name is quite smaller. It's bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. D-O-L-A-R-E-P. This makes the name of wild animal. G-I-E-R-T. Again, this group of letters makes the name of wild animal. It's very simple to guess, and here is the answer. It is T-I-G-E-R, tiger. The answer is tiger. E-U-O-S-M. This group of letters makes the name of very small, very tiny animal. So what's it? It is mouse. Yes, it's mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. So here we stop. Enjoy learning and avoid spelling mistakes. Bye-bye.